last year, my health has not been the same. I have noticed a lot of changes, and one of the major changes that I have noticed is premature hair graying. So I consulted my doctor, and he actually told me that this hair graying can be reversible if I follow a disciplined treatment and a healthy lifestyle. So these are the 5 things I have done to get my dark hair back. First thing I did is I took proper care of my diet. I made sure that I eat on time and also have food that has vitamin B in it, because that helps to reduce premature graying. One thing that helped me a lot is this ThriveCo Hair Prime Serum. This is an innovative product that is scientifically proven to reduce hair graying. But one thing you have to remember, that you are not going to see an instant result after using this. You have to keep using it at least for 5 months in a disciplined way to notice a huge difference. I used to tie my hair all the time because I was so conscious of my gray, but not anymore. I'm super happy.